Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the devices. Make sure your phone has mobile data and tethering is allowed. This prevents carrier blocks. Once done, plug the phone into the laptop with a USB cable or enable Bluetooth on both devices. On Android, open Settings Connections Mobile Hotspot and Tethering and toggle USB tethering. On iPhone, go to Settings Personal Hotspot and enable tethering. Do this now so the laptop can detect a direct network interface and avoid wireless hotspot use. Next, focus on connecting and configuring the network interface so your laptop uses the phone's internet. After enabling tethering, let the laptop install phone drivers. This creates an Ethernet or RRendis adapter for USB. Once visible, select it as the active network in Network Settings and ensure IP4 is set to obtain IP automatically. If using Bluetooth, pair the devices, then enable Bluetooth PAN on the laptop and choose the phone as the network source. These steps bind your laptop's traffic to the phone connection. Finally, verify the connection and resolve common failures so you finish with working internet. Open a browser or run ping 8 to confirm packet flow. Check that the adapter shows a valid IP4 address. If nothing works, toggle tethering off and on, reconnect the USB cable, or restart both devices. This often resets drivers. Make sure you haven't hit a carrier block or data limit if using Bluetooth. Disable other Bluetooth peripherals to avoid PAN conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.